This is a test of the camera, so anybody coming into my house, backyard, I'm able to see that stuff. So we're actually have the lights on right now. We'll turn them off, see how we look at night. All right, so hope you guys like the video. What are you doing? Well, night mode. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing.
All right, today we're gonna bring a Wi-Fi 2K camera. Now this one has antennas. It's outdoor graded, but you are gonna require power on it in order to make this work. Just to let you guys know. So the power cord is it's attached to it, and they give you a power brick so you can connect it in a couple feet. There's a micro SD card that you need to set up if you don't want to buy the cloud system services. You could set up your micro SD card. There's a reset button, so if you want to sell this or give it to a family friend, you can do that by resetting the whole thing. A remote, you could remote into it through your Wi-Fi. Just make sure that you do have the app and that you have 2.4 hertz only. All right, in order to make it work and use the app, this is the name of the application you're required to download and install. All right, we're gonna go ahead and enable a new camera to it right now. We're ready to connect our barcode. So the way you have to do it, you have to say next that you heard the sound even after it's going. There we have it, successful. We're gonna set up our camera. I put it out here right now in my shop. I like to put stuff in my shop because I like to see the entrance, who's coming in and out.